So, Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Hyalusica Water Fit Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Ayan, guys! I love it! Okay, this one contains 50 ml only. Ayan. Ganda ng packaging. At dahil hindi pa ako nag-sunscreen, magsa-sunscreen tayo using this one. Alcohol muna tayo. Kasi dami natin hinawakan. So, yung binili ko talaga is only cleanser, toner, and this sunscreen. But, meron akong a total of 9 freebies. Diba? 9 freebies, guys. San ka pa? And I only paid for a total of 1,500. 1,500 lang, guys, for 3 products because hindi lumalabas. Because, binili ko siya ng sale. Yun yun. Yun yung pinakamahalaga doon. Ay! I miss this. I miss sharing skincare videos with you guys. Yung simpleng video lang. Yung ganito lang. Ay. Yun. Okay. O, diba? May glow agad. Glow na walang white cast. Oop. And this one's really nice under makeup. Kasi parang may instant makeup base ka na. May primer ka na. I love it. Nice. Nice talaga siya. Yun na, guys. That ends my video.